Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Recently, I took my life's first loan from an app called Volt Money and my experience has been very good. In this video, I'll share how this app works, the things I liked and disliked. If you are considering for a short-term loan, loans against your mutual funds could be a very good option as compared to any other personal loans out there. It took me some while to understand all the things that are working behind this app. Perhaps that's because I'm new to loans. I'll explain these quickly in this video so that it might be useful for you. So what is Volt Money? Volt Money essentially gives loans against mutual funds. The rate of interest is 10.5%. They market it at 9% everywhere, but that is not true. Your CIBIL score does not affect your rate of interest, and their application is very user-friendly and easy to use in terms of how you withdraw loans, how you repay the amount, how quick it is. I found it simply outstanding. So let me explain this in slightly more details. So Volt Money essentially opens up a credit line against your mutual funds. Whatever amount you withdraw from this credit line, you pay an interest. This interest is calculated on a daily basis and you pay that interest on a monthly level. To open this credit line, you have to pledge your mutual funds to them. Whatever amount of mutual funds you pledge, you'll get 50% of that as your credit line. So if the current value of mutual funds that you pledge is around 10 lakh rupees, you will get a credit line of 5 lakh rupees and you can withdraw whatever amount you require for your loan. Now the onboarding process is super quick and it just took me 15 minutes to start and get my credit line open. I just had to do a couple of signatures, get my basic KYC done and pledge my shares, and within 15 minutes I got the approval and my credit line was open. Then I withdrew my first loan amount and the amount hit my bank account within a couple of hours. It was that quick. Now another important point is that you might not be comfortable in pledging your entire mutual fund corpus to them. For example, I wasn't. So I just pledged a small percentage of my mutual fund corpus based on my loan requirement. And I also took a small buffer. For example, if I might need something as an emergency fund, it is good to pledge some extra mutual funds because every time I pledge, they charge a 1000 rupees standard fee for pledging the mutual fund. Now, repaying the loan is perhaps their best feature. You can repay the loan amount anywhere between 2 days, 6 months, 3 years, whatever your convenience and your plan is. They'll just charge interest on a daily basis and they debit the interest on a monthly level. So let us assume that a borrower took a loan of say 5 lakh for 6 months. After second or third month, he got some extra 50,000 or 60,000 rupees with which he could repay the loan, and now his outstanding principal is 4,50,000 and the interest will be calculated on this, and there are no foreclosure charges, nothing, and the transaction happens within 5 minutes. It reflects in your application in 5 minutes. So once again, because I am new to loan world, so this might be happening with others as well, but I found this extremely user friendly and was very happy with it. Talking about the fee structure, so they market that they don't take any fees, and it is true. The only fees that they take is 1000 rupees for every pledging of mutual funds. So if you pledge your entire mutual fund today, it will be 1000 rupees, and if you keep on pledging mutual funds every month to increase your credit line, they will charge 1000 rupees every time. There is another 1000 rupees fee to unpledge your mutual funds. Say if you have repaid your loan and you do not wish to continue their services and don't want to take any other loans from them, and you're not comfortable in having your mutual funds pledged to some third party, then to unpledge those mutual funds, you'll have to pay 1000 rupees extra. Apart from this, there is no processing fee or foreclosure charges that I have come across till now. So overall, the first impressions of Volt Money have been super impressive to me. A couple of things that I disliked was, number one, that they market wrong rate of interest. That is slightly, unacceptable. You start with the customer on a wrong footing and then it takes a lot of time. I was skeptical myself because if you market 9% and then in your application and your customer support also say that no, it was a mistake and it's a misprint, the standard loan is 10.5. I would understand that my CIBIL score might affect my rate of interest, but they clearly said that no, it is independent of that. It is flat 10.5% and that's it. So that's a bit of a downer for me. Second is their customer support. It is good. Don't have any complaints there, but it is not as friendly or proactive as some of the other wealth platforms customer support that I have come across like Groww or Altgraf. Third thing that I disliked was in their application, I cannot see anywhere what my interest is due for next month that will be debited from my bank account. I spoke to their customer support about this as well, and their response to this was that you can calculate this on your own based on what principal has been outstanding in your last 30 days. For me as a customer, it is a slightly tedious job to calculate the interest due based on my, the principal outstanding. I wish it was visible to me in the app. That would just have been much easier. So that's it for this video. This is still a first impression kind of review for Volt Money, in which I have been very impressed. There's still a long way to go. I'll keep on sharing updates on how it performs and if there are any unwanted experience. If you have any questions that might help you for this application or any other investment from my journey, please feel free to ask. I'll be happy to answer. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.